Today we learn how to pop up a subscribe form when I click on a button like this. That is the button. When click on this button, the pop-up is coming. So go to your WordPress dashboard and please install the whistle plugin. If you want to see this video, how can I install this whistle plugin? Please see the description box below. The reference video is here. Click on the whistle plugin and now you can see here is the pop-up form that I show you previously. I want to duplicate this one, so go to pop-ups. Here is the pop-ups and I want to duplicate this one, so I want to edit this one. Click on this edit and here is the same form and just I want to change the behavior. Here is the timer. I want to close this one and here is the click. So this is enable, and when you click on the shortcode you can see here is the CSS selector. So I want to add a CSS selector. And copy this one, publish this one, publish complete. Now here is the home page and I want to click on this edit Elementor. And you can see here is the subscribe form. Previously I want to see you. When you click on this subscribe form, nothing is happened. This class I want to apply this button. So click on this and here is the advanced button and here is the CSS class. So simply I paste here, and you should remember the dot should be removed. Now I publish this one and refresh this one. Here is the first pop-up. So I want to close this one, and when you click on the subscribe form you can see the pop-up is coming. Don't forget subscribe my channel for supporting me. Thanks for watching.